How to find trending Add Yours templates on Instagram. Did you know there's an easier way to find trending Add Yours templates on Instagram? Let me show you where to find them in this quick video. Open Instagram. Then click on the option to add your story. Notice the new templates option here. Now, you'll need to have the updated Instagram app for this feature to appear on your screen. If you still don't see it, it might be due to your region, so you can expect it to become available soon. I'll click on it to show you what's inside. As you can see, Instagram has displayed trending Add Yours templates here. Scroll to the right, and you can see several trending templates. Below the trending section, you'll find international hits. Clicking on any template will open it, and you'll be able to use it directly on your story. This is a very useful feature if you enjoy Add Yours story chains. The process is simple, isn't it? If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more similar content.